What is product mix? A product mix, also called a product assortment, is the set of all products and items that a particular seller offers for sale. The width of a product mix refers to how many different product lines the company carries, such as HLL and P&G. The length of a product mix refers to the total number of items in the mix. The depth of a product mix refers to how many variants are offered of each product in the line. Consistency refers to how closely related the various product lines are in end use, production requirements, distribution channels, or some other way. These 4 product mix dimensions permit the company to expand its business in 4 ways. It can add new product lines, thus widening its product mix. It can lengthen each product line. It can add more product variants to each product and deepen its product mix. Finally, a company can pursue more product line consistency.